Hi guys, welcome back. This is Sangean DT-120 AM FM radio. So I'm going to show you how to save stations, and 91.5 is working already. So I'm going to save that station onto preset number 5. They are the preset buttons. So you can save it to number 5. So I'm going to press that button and hold it, and when it, as you can see, it was blinking, this number 5. When it stopped blinking, you let go of the button, which means it's saved. So I'm going to tune into another station. Uh, 93.1, and I'm going to save it to number 4. Just look on the top right hand corner how it's blinking. Number 4, stop blinking, let go. So I'm going to go back to the station that I saved before by pressing number 5, this one here. Okay, so see, it changed to number 5 and 91.5, and I'm going to press number 4, this one here. It has changed to 93.1. So by saving stations, obviously you don't have to tune into the station you like each time you want to listen to it. Simply, if you save it to 5 stations, you can simply press the preset button and listen to that station. So you can save 5 stations on FM and 5 stations on AM. Okay guys, that's it. As I always say, if you need to ask me questions, please do so, and also please leave a comment after you watch the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.